Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Thursday, 14th of June. Euro dollar has turned around. Yesterday, the initial move was to the downside on the back of the Fed, but then subsequently Treasury yields fell away. Euro dollar rose. Now we've got the ECB today as well, and that reaction higher on euro dollar has continued. ECB day is expected to contain not a rate hike, not any changes to rates or anything like that, not even any changes to the asset purchases, but it's the very concept that they're going to be talking about the asset purchases being wound down is the exciting point, and whether that starts to happen, which is likely, but whether they formally announce it today will be the volatility factor, I think, during the press conference. Now, what we have in euro dollar is the market rallying back towards this pivot, 1820 towards 1840. Seems to be a pivot over the last 6 or so weeks. Now, a closing break above 1840 would suggest that the market is pulling higher. It would also then complete a head and shoulders reversal on a near-term basis over the last 5 weeks. So that would be an interesting base pattern. You could then start to measure that 1820 down. Would that be around about 300, 310 or so pips of base pattern. So you could start to see that this market would rise towards 120 figure, which is the next real basis of resistance. That is an interesting technical development if it were to be seen. But look at the momentum indicators already sort of starting to call for the breakout. RSI above 50 now. That's the highest it's been since mid-April. When the selling pressure really started to hit through the euro dollar. We've got the MACD line still pulling higher. The stochastics are still fairly positively configured as well. So the market needs this confirmation of a closing breakout above 118.40. Now, obviously, we can see here the reaction. That was the candlestick in the wake of the Fed last night, but the market has been pulling higher ever since, looking to pull a strong configuration on momentum indicators on the hourly chart as well. So you've got the move higher today. You've got the today's low around 117.85 is your basis initial basis of support, and the market is building for this move. But the ECB is obviously going to be a key factor here, and a lot of volatility around that will be the result, I think. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.